Welcome to this video on using block templates in Articulate Rise. So block templates are really useful for you to take a copy of some information, some blocks that you've created in Articulate Rise, so you can use that again and again in different courses. So if you've got specific sections where you start and you end courses, you can just create a template of those and pull them into other courses, so you're not having to recreate things all the time. And you can share them with people within your team if you have a team account as well, which is really nice and useful. So I've got a course here that I created. You may have seen it. Let's just scroll down and see what's available and what we might need to do. So I'm just going to do a very quick example here, and I'm going to create a block template of these first couple of sections. So when I'm creating a block template, or when I'm using a block template, I need to click on the plus sign so it looks like I'm adding something in. Might feel a bit weird, but let's just click on it. Click on the plus sign and you can see the block libraries come up on the left. I will get my right and my left right. Second time I've done that today. So when I click on block templates, you'll see any block templates that have been created previously that you can just select and pull into your course, which is super useful. But at the top, you'll also see new block template. So if I want to create a new block template, I'm going to click on that. And then you'll notice that your screen looks a little bit different. And if I scroll down, I've got ticks against all of my stuff. So I can tick at the blocks that I want to create my new template from. So I'm going to pull off the introduction. I'm going to get a image block in there. And then I'm going to do some more text as well. So I've done 3. And then I'm just going to click on save. And it's going to ask me to name my block template. So I'm just going to put test in for this example because I'm going to get rid of it. And you can see there, because I have a Teams account, then I can share it with the team or I can keep it to myself. I'm going to keep it to myself so I don't confuse anyone else. But it's really useful if you're collaborating on courses and you want to create block templates, so you can just pull them into each course that you do, and then they become super consistent. And just saves time for everyone in the development process, especially if it's standard stuff. So we use this for our feedback forms at the end because it's standard text and it's a standard form, and it just makes it very easy to pull that part into the training. So when I click on save, it's going to create my block template. Now, it might take a little bit of time to create it depending on your connection and also how much you've selected. But then what I can do is I can go into another course and I can click on the plus and go into my block templates and I can add it in there. And you can see on the left at the top, that's been added there. I have the option, I know it's quite small, to edit and delete that block template, but I can also just click on it and that can pull in as a block to any course that I do. So we find this really useful and a really good consistency process so that all of our content looks and feels nice and the same. And also we find it really useful to save time and be really productive. So have a play around with those block templates and have a think about which parts you may want to create a template of, so you can pull that into other courses that you and possibly your team, if you work in a team, create to speed up your production time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.